He either didn't know I was here or he didn't care. What do you think, TC? I'm just going to show your profile today. Is it nap time yet? You hungry? I know you had breakfast. So this would technically be second breakfast, right? Okay, well, let's see what we can do. Are those rocks pretty cool? All right. Like a lion in the shade on the savannah, on the rocky terrain under the Japanese boxwood bushes, TC awaits, hoping for a bonus meal. What a luxury to have your prey come to you and not have to seek it out in the wild. The Adventures of TC, to be